Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the speech privacy settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Privacy and Security button at the left side of the screen to show the privacy and security settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Speech button to the right to show the speech privacy settings at the right side of the Settings app window. To enable or disable online speech recognition in Windows 11, click the Online Speech Recognition Setting button's toggle switch to set it to the on or off position as desired. If disabled, you can still use the Windows Speech Recognition app and other services that do not use Microsoft's online speech recognition, but any apps that rely on Microsoft's online speech recognition will not work. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.